Dakidara, so yeah. Greetings, every Stuffies. I am Stuffy Doss, and it is time to face the Nightmare Furnace. One of the bosses in this game. Many bosses within this game. It took me forever to actually find it, and we've got our three little friends here. And let's attack! You can find this boss. It's in the Nightmare Tide biome. No, come on. Can we defeat this guy? I'm not even gonna look at its health. It's so good. I'm even gonna look at its health because it takes too long to actually look at its health. Oh, it's gotta do a lot of damage. Okay. I can't believe it. We actually took out the Nightmare Furnace without losing a single one of our friends. So I guess that is how you. And there's the TARDIS. What? Anybody else see that? I am going to walk away now. That was strange. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. And now it wasn't that long, but it's pretty good. It was only like 2 minutes. Of taking down the Nightmare Furnace. It's not that much hard of a boss, but hey, if you have complaints, tell me in the comments of the game, and also maybe complaining about this game being too easy isn't the best idea ever. Here I want to also show you some of the nightmare fuels, the things that the Nightmare Furnace will attempt to kill. Like throughout the game, just keep attempting to kill. We have this guy. He looks pretty cool looking. And there's this guy. He looks pretty depressed and looks like he's about to murder you in your sleep. Okay. Ow, I just got shocked. Oh, and here is another one. He's very... That sounds strangely specific. So, the Nightmare Fuel. This guy's pretty cool. I think there was one more. I think. I don't remember. I think I might have already covered that one, but I'm not sure. Nothing. Like a spider guy, I think. Did I forget to add him? I can't remember. Did I forget to add him? Did I add any of him? Did I not add him? Oh, is that it? No. Okay, so there's supposed to be another one, but I think I might have forgotten about adding him. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video about the Nightmare Fuel and taking down the Nightmare Furnace. So it's pretty hard, but I'm not sure you can do it on your own. You're gonna have to bring at least 2 friends because this thing can't multitask. You can only do like one multi-person swipe, but he does respawn after like half of the entire game. 6 minutes. This entire game is 12 minutes, and he plays 6 minutes. So I'm pretty sure he won't be coming back. Oh, maybe he will. I'm not sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video about the TARDIS coming in and saying hello right after I beat it. Oh, there it is. The Dalek ship following it. It's a nice little Easter egg. Nice little mystery Easter egg that I found. There it is. I like to just watch it go. I mean, look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Bye. 100%, yeah.